Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can update your Google Chrome on your PC or on your laptop. So here you have to keep up to date on your Chrome browser because you can fix some issues, some bug, and maybe some lag. And also maybe you want to get new features from the Chrome after the updates. So let's start by click three dot at the top right corner of your screen and click on settings. Now we are already on settings. So this one, about Chrome, this is the last option, and here we go. Here you have to wait. Google Chrome will automatically update the version of your web here. So wait the process. So when the process finishes, you need to relaunch to completely finish updating. Here we go, nearly up to date. Relaunch Chrome to finish updating. So here, this is the latest version. You see, this is the number. Official build 64-bit because I use a Windows 11. So here, just click on relaunch, and now Chrome is up to date. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.